Today I'm gonna plant 2 trees. So you can see this is tree 1 of 2 that I'm planting. I dug the hole. Let's see how wide the hole is. Well, it's about 2 feet wide and 2.5 feet deep. So it'll be 32 inches deep. I'm gonna make the PVC pipe 3 feet. This is the second hole for tree 2 of 2. This one I dug first, so this one's a little bit bigger, so I have more energy. See how wide the hole? Wow, 2.25 inch wide. So I'm just gonna cut 3 feet of the scrap here. Previously I marked this at 40, so I'll cut this right now. I think this is good. Well, the holes I'm gonna drill into the PVC pipe doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna pick the I'm gonna pick the 7. No, I'm gonna go big on this one. I'm gonna pick the 1/2 inch holes. You know what? I changed my mind. I'm gonna pick the 7/16. The size doesn't really matter. Just pick anything you like. So here's a little trick. So when you drill these, you can drill it all the way. I have the holes drill right here. You know, they're in random pattern. There's no right or wrong way to do it, whatever you like. So I'm gonna drop this one in here. So I think this is perfect. This will allow me, this sticks out about 8 inches. So this will allow me to feed the water in there. And this is the second tree. Oh, I'm gonna feed this in here. Oh boy, this is a little bit longer, so I need to either dig the hole or cut the PVC pipe. I guess I'll just dig the hole to make it a little bit deeper. As you can see, the soil in my area is clay soil. So I bought some sand. So I'm gonna put some sand on the bottom for better drainage, and mix them up with the clay soil that I'm gonna put in later. I think that's good. Okay, I have narrowed down my choices and I separated them by 3 batches. These 3, I'll plant them in the front, and these 4, I'll plant them by the driveway. These 2, I'll have them in the backyard as backup trees. As you can see, that one over there, I'm gonna use that as a primary tree. I'm gonna put this tree in there. So I remove this tree from this bucket right here. I'm gonna soften the roots. I'm gonna gently drop this in here. good. Look at these 3. I'm gonna drop them proportionately. Trees. So this is 1/3 sand, 1/3 clay soil, and 1/3 topsoil. 1/3 sand, 1/3 native soil, which is clay soil, and 1/3 sand. I'm gonna mix them up. Fill out the hole with the soil. So I'm ready to plant the other tree. I'm gonna soak this hole in water. Just soaking it. Nothing fancy, just soaking it in water. Here I got some topsoil and clay soil. I'm gonna mix them up. As you can see, topsoil is black. Clay soil is kind of orange, yellow. Mix them up and put it over there. Well, I think this tree is done. I'm just gonna leave it like that and put some mulch on top. I'll add more of these half and half into this tree right now. This tree is on a slope into the woods. I'm gonna water it real good. Okay, I fill up this hole, so I'm just gonna let it drain, and it should be ready to mulch in a few minutes. So I kind of wanted to hide this PVC pipe because it doesn't look really good. I don't know how is it gonna look, but I'm gonna use these rocks and try to make it a little bit more prettier. Yeah, I cover it up. I think it looks pretty good. It doesn't look as ugly. Yeah, this one turns out to be better than the other one. The PVC. Mulch. These are basically the dead leaves from last fall. I'm gonna put them right here. So we're gonna put some of these mulches here. These mulch. I'm gonna put some mulch right here and fill it up. I found these mash from a project that I had done earlier. I'm gonna wrap it around the tree to prevent a lawnmower or weed whacker from damaging it. Here's what it looks like. Today is mid-September, and I'm counting on these trees to survive through the fall and winter, and hopefully in the spring of next year. Let's see how many minutes does it take to fill up this 3 feet long PVC pipe. Well, this tree is a little bit far from the water hose, the garden hose. So I'm going to see how long does it take to fill up this hole. Okay, it's full. Alright. Well, thanks for watching. I'm done today and I feel pretty good about it. Check back next year. Please come back next year and check on the progress of my tree.